Mom, you're the best mom, and I always love you because every time you always have my back, and you always say that even though you're frustrating and have a hard problem with something, you always have my back. And when you come out of jail, I want me and you to do is go have like a chat and like do our makeup done and talk to each other about how we feel. I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day.